Hey, I see mathematicians. Um, my video is going to be on two-digit times two-digit multiplication, which is something I hope that we master as fourth graders. And remember again, knowing your facts is extremely important, um, from addition, subtraction, and then making sure that multiplication, division um, is just kind of a natural thing for you, and memorization to the best of your ability is what we need. That makes you a fluent, um, mathematician there, and that helps a lot with the harder skills or the, higher level skills, whatever you would like to call them. So this is two-digit times two-digit. I've broken it down into 4 equations because there are 4 digits and each of those have a value, of course. So you would do 40 times 20, correct? So I want you to think about that and do this along with me if you can, okay? Okay. Do you agree with me? Okay. Then I'm moving on to my next one, which is 20 times 2. And if you see where that comes from, right? Here and here. Oops, sorry. Okay. So one of them is a value of 20 and one is a value of 2 because of the place value. I believe that is 40. Okay. And the next one I am thinking is going to be in the hundreds. Okay. I believe that is correct. And then a 1 digit times 1 digit is 12. I've lined up all my place values so that it is easier. So I start in my ones column to add these. So 2, 4, and 4 is 40, and 40 is 80, plus 1 more is 90. 800 plus 200 is 1,000. So I believe that we have the correct answer that way. Okay, so we're doing partial products there is what you're doing. You're breaking down those place values, thinking through that strategy as well. Okay. There's also an area model. It's the same concept, but kind of showing you in a different way, and some people's brains work that way. So I broke the 40 into 42, as you can see, and then 20 times 6. Okay. So each of those get figured out. And again, you're going to come up with that type of thing. I did switch that 40 in there. I apologize. I didn't bring that down and brought down the 20 where I did not mean to. But that is kind of how you work on that. Then you add those up again. So okay, and then they do match. All right, we've got 1,092 is how we read that number. Okay, what I challenge you to do is to get that sidewalk chalk out again, or just have your parents or somebody, grandparents are great too, about writing them down. If you have a little whiteboard at your house, or just anything that gets you going on that. So make sure that you're just making up those 2-digit times 2-digit numbers and multiplying them and deciding what methods work for you. This is one, there are more as well. And again, just being able to do them in a way that most of us teachers probably have done them is just the standard algorithm of doing that piece of it, but that is something your parents might know as well. But please, please, please work on becoming proficient at 2-digit times 2-digit and 2-digit times 1-digit. Okay. I would also really like fourth graders to be pretty proficient with the division that we learned as well with the whole numbers. Just keeping track of how to do those things, and many of my students took notes, so you could go back to those and refer back to those in your understanding, because there's also some great strategies for division as well as what we've done for multiplication. So again, hope that summer is going great. I hope that you're all thinking about us as well as we're thinking about you, and I'm wishing you the best.